Welcome back to the part 2 of understanding different types of lenses. If you haven't watched our part 1, I'll just link that one into the cards above. In this video, we are going to talk about differences between prime lenses and zoom lenses and which one is better fit for your type of work. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In part 1 of this series, we have discussed about 3 main categories of lenses, which is standard lenses, wide-angle lenses and telephoto lenses. Now, even these 3 categories falls into 2 main categories named as prime lenses and zoom lenses, and the quality of your images widely depends on which type of lens you choose for your type of work. Before talking about differences between the prime lenses and zoom lenses, let's try to understand what exactly the prime lens means and what exactly the zoom lens means. When we talk about the prime lens is the lens which has the fixed focal length. Maybe it can be 35 mm, 50 mm, 85 mm, 100 mm and so on. When we talk about zoom lenses are those which has variable focal lengths. The examples of variable focal lengths can be given as 24 to 70 mm or maybe 16 to 35 mm, 70 to 200 mm and so on. Now just let's try to understand differences between these two types of lenses and which one is better fit for your type of work. The obvious difference between the prime lens and zoom lens is nothing but the focal length. Zoom lens will provide an opportunity of having a variable focal length, while on the other hand the prime lens would have a fixed focal length. So to shoot in the range of single zoom lenses focal length, you would need multiple prime lenses to carry along with you. When we speak about sharpness, prime lenses produces high quality results compared to zoom lenses. Many photographers prefers to have the sharper results of their images, and hence they prefer prime lenses over any type of zoom lens. Prime lenses are also light in weight compared to zoom lenses because zoom lenses have multiple glass elements inside compared to prime lenses. These glass elements tends to increase the weight of the body of the lens depending upon what is the variability of the focal length for that particular lens. The another factor which differentiates prime lenses and zoom lenses from each other is one of the important one, which is nothing but the low light performance. Speaking about the low light performance, determining factor is nothing but the aperture number. Lower is the aperture number, more the opening of the lens is, and hence more the light comes into the sensor of your camera, and thus your camera performs better in low light situation. Prime lenses offers lower aperture number compared to zoom lenses, and hence prime lenses performs better in low light condition than any other zoom lens in the market. Now it's really hard to say that only prime lenses are better than zoom lenses considering all the aspects whatever we have discussed till now. It's no wonder that we do have zoom lenses as well which performs equally better compared to prime lenses. But what major thing that differentiates prime lenses and zoom lenses from each other is nothing but their pricing range. On a higher level, prime lenses are always considered to be cheaper one compared to the zoom lenses. The another factor which differentiates these two type of lenses is nothing but a possibility of a damage to your sensor because of external dust particles. And since the zoom lenses are having, most of the zoom lenses are having an element which comes out and moves in, it increases the risk of adding a sensor dust to your glass elements as well, and from glass elements of the lens to your sensor as well. And hence if you are using zoom lenses regularly, you can see that you would be in a need of cleaning your sensors again and again. Depending upon whatever we have discussed till now, it's the question to ask to yourself that which type of lens is better fit for your type of work. Personally, if you ask me, I would advise you to use prime lenses if you are doing studio work regularly. But if you are outdoor shooter just like me, I would personally prefer to use zoom lenses because it gives me a variable focal length flexibility in a split of second. I hope these two videos helped you to understand different types of lenses in market and choose the better one for your type of work. If you really love this two-part series, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know what else you would like to learn from me. I would be happy to assist you on that part as well. Till then, happy Diwali, stay safe, bye bye.